model, 2013 Ford Transit 2.2 TDCI-100PS 300 long wheelbase, high roof rear-wheel drive needs turbo. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 217844. MOT, the 30th of March 2025. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2100 PS TDCI-A. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. This is a straightforward turbo replacement job, grin. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.